Okay, this is Doodlebug with the Nina Ottoman dog spinner. And she's going to show us how you do some work for your dinner. Let's go, Dude. Wowzers. It's a little bit forceful, isn't it, Bobby? Now she's got to spin it around to find all the different compartments. This is what we call making your dog work for your dinner. She's not getting treats here, they're just biscuits. My head's in there, Bobby. Good girl. Well done. And just in case anyone didn't see it, the white bone landed all the way over here, which I'm going to pick up and put back in again, just to make it a bit more interesting. Excuse me. Little bug. Excuse me. Thank you. There we go. And try again. Oh, that was a bit quick, wasn't it? Is there any more? You better check. Is there any more? Have a look. See if there's any more, dude. Shall we show them? Excuse me. Good girl. Ready? Wait. Excuse me. This is why it's called the dog spinner. Because it spins around. Thank you, dude.